guys, if you don't know what's going on, I'm headed home from Fort Davis, Texas. And today, since we are in Texas, I'm going to see how many pickup trucks here are in Texas, because Texas is filled with them. And I live in Texas, and I know there's so many pickup trucks everywhere. Also subscribe to Panda Sensei 101. He got a bunch of pickup truck topic, but let's go ahead and start. My goodness, there's like a pickup truck on every corner. Hold on, see, look, there's another one. And another one. And another one. And three of them. And another one. 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 Two of them. My goodness. And another one. And there's another one. And 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 another one. Another one. And another one. And another one. Another one. And another one. Ah. And another. So if you're coming out here in Texas, then there's going to be a lot of pickup trucks. Come on, here in Texas. So much pickup trucks. Another one. I can see the top of two pickup trucks right there. There's another one and another one. Again, crossed by a black pickup truck. That means Texas, look. Another one. Another one. Oh, look, this is surprising. Another one. Yep. Just be a pickup truck like everybody else. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. A pickup truck again. And there's another one. Panda Sensei, if you're watching this video, then do a video on pickup trucks at gas stations, because there are tons coming to this gas station and I'm surrounded. Save me. But these aren't only just in... Goodness. There's so many F-150s as well. Yep, F-150s everywhere. Truck right in front of us. Let's go eat at Sonic. Oh, look, there's pickup trucks. Pickup truck, pickup truck, pickup truck. This pickup truck. Oh, look, a pickup truck. Another one. Another one. Moral of the story is, if you're coming to Texas, there's gonna be a pickup truck everywhere.